I'm Dr. Michael Haley. Welcome to the Haley Nutrition Kitchen. We're making another smoothie. I've got my USA shirt on because we're gonna have an insurrection today. That's right, America, we got a problem. We have a problem in your microbiome. In America, we've been eating too many chemicals, preservatives in the food. Pesticides, herbicides, fungicides, things that are killing off our guts, and it's time to go to battle against the bad microbiome. That's why we're gonna have our Aloe Probiotic Insurrectionist smoothie. It's a functional smoothie series that is functional foods, foods with a purpose. The things that go in here are going in here. They have a purpose. We're going to consume healthy, powerful nutrients to have an attack on our bad microbiome. We're gonna crowd out your bad gut flora, feed the good guys, and promote healing to your gut lining. Your gut lining. The first thing up, homemade L-Reuteri bacteria yogurt. That is, I used whole milk and seeded it with the Lactobacillus reuteri bacteria. We're gonna put this in here to get the smoothie started. I'm having a big one today. Well, there's a lot in there. And you know, this particular bacteria, it's been known not only to support weight loss and appetite suppression, gut health, skin health, hair health. It suppresses H. pylori and C. diff bacteria from taking over your gut and helps guys maintain youthful testosterone levels. Don't we want some of that yogurt in here? Make it homemade. Check out the videos, previous videos on how to make this particular yogurt on the Haley Nutrition channel on YouTube. I'm gonna add some kale, and a lot of people would juice their kale, get rid of all that healthy fiber. Not me. I want that fiber in there because that fiber is gonna help feed my gut flora. I'm putting a lot of kale in there. I'm gonna love the way this looks too. The white yogurt with the green, it's gonna pop, it's gonna look delicious, it's gonna look healthy, it's gonna be healthy. Kale also has all kinds of vitamins and minerals and phytochemicals like lutein. That's great for your eyesight. Lots of vitamin A, some B vitamins. It's jam-packed, very, very nutritious. We're also gonna add, let me put a banana in there. Why a banana? Good gut healthy food. Bananas have been known to help alleviate and prevent constipation. They have low glycemic index, which means they're not going to spike your blood sugar levels, even there's a lot of natural sugar in bananas. You're not going to spike high. They're high in the pectin fiber. Again, we're feeding our gut flora because we want to support the good ones and annihilate the bad ones. It's going to aid in weight loss, and the low calorie of bananas adds a lot of bulk and a lot of satisfaction without adding too many calories to your diet. We're also going to add some mango. Why mango? Again, nutrient dense, lots of fiber. There's a theme here with the fiber. We're feeding our good gut bacteria. One mango has almost your entire daily supply of vitamin C. We also want to add some flaxseed. Again, more fiber. I'm gonna do about a tablespoon or so, maybe a little bit more. The flaxseed, it'll gel up nice, add a certain thickness to it, but also a lot of those omega-3 fatty acids that are so good for gut health, brain health, cardiovascular support. Good stuff. I am going to fire this up. I didn't add the star yet. We're gonna get to that in a minute. But let me blend this up. Perfect. And as planned, again, when I'm making smoothies, I like to plan it out so it looks appealing too. But I still need to put the star of the show in, our aloe vera. Why aloe vera? Again, for the gut, we're annihilating the bacteria. We're gonna provide some more good, healthy fiber to feed our healthy flora. I'm gonna put about, at least a half a cup in there. Now, I'm gonna turn down my blender to a low speed because it's thick and I don't wanna foam up the aloe. Gel will do that. I have it on #1 setting on the Vitamix. Just stirring it in. Don't really need to blend it in there much. And now my Insurrection smoothie is ready. Look at how delicious that looks. A beautiful green. This is one of those things, you know, you can be happy to walk around and know you're doing good for your body and just feel good about what you're putting in your body when it looks like that. And tastes like that. It's absolutely delicious. Going to work on that microbiome. Try it too. Let me know what you think in the comments about this recipe. And if you have a favorite functional food, a functional smoothie, let me know about it. Thanks for checking this video out. That's good.